Value means different things to different people. For Mike, a kitchen designer and showroom owner, value means enjoying CNC's legendary lead times and sterling quality.
Nobody can beat CNC's lead time. Their Luxor line is unbeatable in a fast-paced business like ours. It is very important for us to deliver our cabinets to our customers when they need it. With CNC Cabinetry and the Luxor line, we can do just that with their 2 to 3 day lead time. Not only is it quick, but the quality is unmatched. It has all the features my customers are looking for. Their Luxor collection might just be the best cabinets in the country for their cost. I would confidently recommend CNC cabinets to clients, knowing that they will receive a high-quality product backed by a brand that stands behind their craftsmanship. They are easily America's best value in cabinetry. Exceptional quality, super fast lead times. To me, that's value, that's CNC.
America's best value in cabinetry.